Hello biologists, in today's daily revision task you are asked to produce a flashcard on the roles of membranes within cells and at the surfaces of cells. All cells in nature are surrounded by biological membranes which all have the same basic structure. Some organelles found in eukaryotic cells also have membranes. Membranes separate their content from their environment. Cell membranes separate the cell's content from its environment, and organelle membranes separate the organelle contents from their environment. Membranes regulate the movement of materials through them. For example, cell membranes might not allow starch molecules to leave the cell. Cell membranes are also involved in cell communication and recognition, and in holding some components of metabolic pathways in place. All biological membranes are made of the same basic structure. This is composed of molecules called phospholipids, which form a phospholipid bilayer. Phospholipids are fats. They are composed of two fatty acid tails and a phosphate head. The phosphate heads are hydrophilic, whereas the fatty acid tails are hydrophobic. When placed in water, the heads orientate themselves towards water molecules and the tails away, meaning that phospholipids will form a layer above the water if left. If phospholipid molecules are completely surrounded by water, they may form a bilayer. A phosphate bilayer consists of two layers of phospholipids where the tails point inwards and the heads point outwards towards water. One layer is like a mirror image of the other. The phospholipid molecules are not bonded together. However, their amphiphilic nature gives the bilayer a degree of stability, since the hydrophobic head cannot easily through the hydrophobic region created by the tails. The molecules, however, can move freely as a fluid in place of the plane in the bilayer. Small nonpolar molecules can pass through the phospholipid bilayer since they can squeeze between the phospholipid molecules and are not repelled by the hydrophobic region, whereas water molecules can also move through the bilayer despite being polar because they are also very small. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.